Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at descriptive statistics and inferential. So you have what you need up here. Descriptive statistics, you're just describing the sample. Inferential statistics, you're taking a sample and you're making a claim about a population based on that sample. All right, so here are 4 examples. The first one says the average test grade from a sample of 30 students was an 85. Well, here we're summarizing information in a sample, so this would be descriptive statistics. The next one, based on a sample of students from 2 universities, it is concluded that University 1 students study more than University 2 students. So here we're using a sample and we're making a claim about the entire population of these 2 universities. So we're making a claim about a population, so it's inferential. Number 3, a study revealed that average household size has decreased from 2019 to 2020. We're using a sample study to make a claim about the population, the household size, which is the population. So we're making a claim from a sample, so it's inferential. And then the last one, 80% of customers at a restaurant ordered fries with their meal. Here we're we're describing data from a particular restaurant, so that would be descriptive.